Hello. Hello, applications of ultrasonic waves, where the 5 applications are over. What is first one? Anyone? Fast. Hello.
Detection of flaws in metals.
Okay, detection of flaws in metal. Second application is
Sonar.
sonar. Third one is
Depth of sea.
depth of sea. Fourth one is medical applications. In medical, echocardiography. Second one is
Ultrasonography.
ultrasonography, and third is
Kidney stone.
to break the kidney stone. Okay. Then next is application number 5 is
Ultrasonic drilling and cutting.
ultrasonic drilling and cutting. Here this unit is completed. Okay. Then next we'll start discussing MCQs, the multiple choice questions. Okay, we'll read the first MCQ number 1. Now we'll start from roll number wise we'll go. Start from 1.
Sabina's formula is dash dash. Symbols have their usual meaning.
What is answer? What is Sabine's formula? Reverberation time T is equal to T is proportional to काय म्हणतो आपण reverberation time T is proportional to V by A. Okay, V by A. Therefore, T is equal to K means constant of proportionality V upon A. किंवा T is equal to K V upon summation of A into S. म्हणजे सगळेच आहेत हे. पहिला पण आहे, दुसरा पण आहे, तिसरा पण आहे, चौथा. म्हणजे आन्सर व्हॉट इज आन्सर? Option D, all of these. Okay. Right. First, Sabine's formula is die dash. Sabine's formula is die dash. Right answer T is equal to KV upon summation of A into S. KV upon summation of A into S. Sabine's formula is die dash. Right answer T is equal to KV upon summation of A into S. Written. Second, roll number 2.
The audible range of frequency is.
Now, what is audible range? Okay.
Option C.
Okay, answer is 20 hertz to
20 kilohertz.
Okay, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. That is audible range of frequency is. The audible range of frequency is. Answer is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Next, roll number 3.
Magnetostriction method is used to produce ultrasonic waves of frequency 20 kilohertz to 100 kilohertz.
Okay, magnetostriction means 20 kilohertz to 100 kilohertz. Okay, 20 kilohertz to 100 kilohertz. Okay, 100 kilohertz. And piezoelectric किती आहे? What is the range of piezoelectric? Greater than
100 kilohertz.
Greater than 100 kilohertz. Okay, then next.
The rod used in magnetostriction method for the production of ultrasonic waves is made up of nickel.
Nickel rod is used. Okay, write it. The rod used in magnetostriction method for the production of ultrasonic waves is made up of. Answer is nickel. Iron or nickel. The iron's option 9. हे निकेलचा ऑप्शन म्हणून आपण निकेल लिहितो. निकेल. ओके. नेक्स्ट. आता रोल नंबर वाईज सांगितलं त्यामुळे थांबायची गरज नाहीये. रोल नंबर 5 ना, प्रियांका देवमारे. रोल नंबर 6.
Hello,
हाँ
hello
please.
sir.
हाँ read it.
If F is the frequency of alternating current supplied to a coil producing magnetic field, then the rod kept in magnetic field vibrates
With free.
with the frequency.
Okay, if F is the frequency of alternating current supplied to a coil producing magnetic field, then rod kept in magnetic field vibrates with frequency. हाँ, मॅग्नेटोस्ट्रिक्शन मधला आहे. अल्टरनेटिव्ह मॅग्नेटिक फ्रिक्वेन्सी एफ असेल तर रॉडची रॉड व्हायब्रेट्स विथ चॉईस एफ म्हटलंय ना आपण. काय म्हटलंय? हॅलो, रॉड व्हायब्रेट्स विथ विच फ्रिक्वेन्सी? 2f.
पैसे
Write it 2f. Answer is 2f. Okay, 2f. Okay, over. This first 5 are over. Can I take next? हाँ, झालं का 5 लिहून पहिले? हॅलो, can I take MCQ number 6? Yes तर म्हणा, नाही तर नो तर म्हणा.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rule number 6.
To find the depth of sea by sonar technique, dash dash waves are used.
हाँ,
Ultrasonic waves.
ultrasonic waves are used. Right answer is ultrasonic waves. To find the depth of sea, or to find the depth of sea by sonar technique, which waves are used? कुठल्या वापरतोय आपण? Ultrasonic waves are used. Answer is ultrasonic. Next roll number.
Reverberation time is dash dash to of volume of the hall.
Hmm.
Answer C, directly proportional.
Okay, reverberation time is dash to the volume of the hall. म्हणजे T is directly proportional to volume of the hall and it is inversely proportional to T is directly proportional to volume of the hall and it is inversely proportional to total absorption in the hall. आपल्याला काय विचारलंय? व्हॉल्यूम विचारलंय. म्हणजे कसला आहे, काय आहे तिथं? डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली? डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. डायरेक्टली. ऑप्शन नंबर सी, directly proportional. Okay, next.
To have good sound effect inside a hand. Option D, the revibration time has to be optimum.
Okay, to have a good sound effect inside the hall, reverberation time must be optimum. कसा पाहिजे reverberation time? Optimum. ज्यादा पण नको आहे आणि कमी पण. जास्त असेल तर काय होणार आहे?
Confusion.
कन्फ्यूज. आणि कमी असेल तर intensity of sound must be not sufficient. Okay, then next is we'll read next.
Option C, 1 to 2 seconds.
Optimum reverberation time for music is 1 to 2 seconds. Music साठी 1 to 2 पाहिजे असते आणि स्पीच साठी किती हो?
1 to 2.
स्पीच हे 1 to 2 म्युझिक साठी झालं.
0.5 to 1.
Okay. Then optimum reverberation time for music is 1 to 2 seconds. The next.
Optimum reverberation time for speech is
स्पीच ला किती आहे?
5.
0.5
5.
0.5 to हाँ
1 second.
1 second. 0.5 to 1 second. Okay, the second slide is over. झाली का सगळ्यांची? 6 to 10 MCQs. झाल्यानंतर सांगा. हॅलो. Can I take next slide? Yes, no तर म्हणा की काय ते. No तर म्हणा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, next 11 number.
Ultrasonic wave have frequency. Answer B above audible range.
The ultrasonic waves have frequency as it is above audible range. Below audible range म्हणजे कुठले असतात ते? Infrasonic. Above audible range. Answer is above audible range. B. Above audible range. Okay. Then next.
Ultrasonic waves are produced by utilizing piezoelectric effect.
Okay. Piezoelectric effect. And second अजून कुठला आहे हो?
Magnetostriction effect.
Magnetostriction effect. Magnetostriction effect. And second is piezoelectric. दोन्हीपैकी जे ऑप्शन आहे ते आपल्याला करेक्ट पकडावं लागेल. इथे कुठला दिला आहे ह्यापैकी? piezoelectric आहे. The ultrasonic waves are produced by utilizing piezoelectric effect. Next.
Ultrasonic waves produced in the medium can be detected by option B, Kunz tube method.
Okay, by a telephone नाही येणार, Kunz tube method. सेकंड कुठला आहे डिटेक्शनची सेकंड मेथड? दिस इज Kunz tube. हा, नंतर
Thermal detector method.
हा, third is
sensitive flame method.
okay. Next one more is
Piezoelectric detector.
okay. These are the four methods used for the detection of ultrasonic waves. Out of these four here, Kunz tube is written. This option is Kunz tube. Okay. Ultrasonic waves produced in a medium can be detected by Kunz tube method. Kunz tube. Next. Next. पटकन जे नाही त्याने ज्याला येतं त्याच्या आपला जवळ नंबर आला असेल तर स्टार्ट करायचं नाही, वेट करायचं नाही बाकीच्यासाठी.
The waves used in sonography are ultrasonic waves.
The waves used in a sonography are ultrasonic waves. सोनोग्राफी पण म्हटलंय, अल्ट्रासोनोग्राफी. ते कशासाठी वापरले जातात? to take the images of kidney, liver, uterus, etc. ठीक है. Next. MCQ number.
Resistance of the sound after the source has to emit the sound is known as.
The persistence of audible sound after the source has stopped to emit the sound is known as. Is known as. कशाची definition आहे हे?
Reverberation.
Okay, it is a definition of reverberation. The persistence or prolongation of sound after the source has stopped to emit the sound is known as a reverberation. Right? Reverberation. And reverberation time ची काय येणार आहे? The time duration for which ते add होणार आहे. The time duration for which sound persists in the hall is called as reverberation time. Reverberation ची विचार दिला आहे. Okay. Now, can I take next slide? एक मिनट. Okay. Next 16 number.
The time taken by sound to fall to 1 million of its intensity just before the source is cut off is known as
Reverberation time. This is the definition of reverberation time. Next.
The absorption coefficient is measured in.
What is unit of absorption coefficient? Open window unit. Okay, what is unit? OWU. Okay. The next. Okay, these MCQs are provided in that sheet. Spreadsheet, just check it. Let's read it fast. Sound stands for sonar stands for, what is the long form of sonar? Fast. चार राहिलेत फक्त.
Sound navigation and ranging.
Okay, sound navigation and ranging. Then next. 19 number. The ultrasonic waves exhibit large diffraction effect, negligible diffraction effect, very long wavelength, faster speed than sound waves. What is the answer? Hello. What can? Properties of ultrasonic waves: large diffraction effect or negligible diffraction effect.
Negligible diffraction effect.
Negligible diffraction effect. Okay, next. Read it fast. Hello. Roll number 38.
Yes, sir.
Read the MCQ number 20.
The sound waves with frequency greater than 20 kilohertz are called
Greater than 20 kilohertz, they are called as ultrasonic waves. Next. Last four are remaining. Fast. Hello. Roll number 40.
according to the Sabin reverberation time is directly proportional to
Volume. It is repeated. Next. सगळे शांत बसणार का? पटकन सांगा ना. रोल नंबर 20. प्रत्येक वेळेस रोल नंबर घ्यायची गरज आहे का? रोल नंबर 45. निकिता. Read it. Pradeep. Start it. त्यांनी स्टार्ट केलं तरी स्टार्ट करा पटकन.
Sound waves having the following frequencies are audible to human beings.
Okay, audible range is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. In between these, which one is correct?
5,000.
Okay, 5,000. Next.
To find the depth of sea by sonar technique, dash waves are used. Ultrasonic waves are used.
Okay, last one.
The sound wave with frequency less than 20 kilohertz is infrasonic wave.
Okay, sound waves less than 20 hertz, these are called as infrasonic waves. Okay, we'll stop it here now. Okay, here this unit number 3rd is completed in all respect.